Hey everyone, this will be a speed and speaker test here comparison between the brand new Google Pixel 7a versus the 2022 iPhone SE. Here in the US, unlock prices are $430, $500. So let's get into this. On the same Wi-Fi, both of them declare their histories using Chrome, using Safari. We are going to start this out here with this internet browsing test. We are going to go to bestbuy.com. It's not the easiest website to load in. It's not the hardest, but it's not the easiest. It's a decent website to test in my testings. Again, both are on the same Wi-Fi, which is just my home Wi-Fi network, which is usually pretty fast, except for depending where you're in the house. But anyway, it is a pretty fast Wi-Fi network. Go and hit this ROG LI. I keep saying LI. I don't know why. LI. Let's go ahead. We will hit this outlet deals. So they are going about the same here. That looks actually really cool. But that's probably not with the PlayStation, right? I don't think it comes with a PS5 for $600. Seems a bit crazy for $600. No, thank you. Please get out of the way. No, thank you. Please. Thank you. Go ahead. We'll hit the picture here. Google won the picture round. Yeah. It's loading in pictures a little bit faster. Let's go ahead. We'll swipe in tablets. Swipe in whatever I just swiped in there. Tablets. 1, 2, 3. So this is 4.7 inches. This is 6.1. So there is quite a bit of a size difference. Both are small phones. This thing is very tiny. But then it has a big forehead and chin on it. So could be smaller. Kind of like the iPhone 13 or 12 mini. Which are actually a little bit smaller in size, but bigger screens on them. Let's go ahead and we'll hit the Lenovo. That was just my paper for those that heard that noise. It sounded a little bit funny. Alright, let's go ahead. We'll go on down here. Both of these are very fast phones, though. Alright, let's go ahead. We'll hit compare similar items. And let's just hit one more here, which I think is actually the same item. Let's retry that. Not hitting the same item that we're already viewing. There you go. That time the iPhone is quite a bit faster. Let that load in. By quite a bit, I mean a couple of seconds. This thing about modern technology is anything made within the last couple of years that is around the same price should be about the same speed, even compared to newer stuff. Of course, these are both newer phones. But just putting that one out there. Alright, so the only thing we have open on both these are Chrome or Safari, whichever one we are, of course, on. Go ahead, we'll hit the Play Store and App Store. Android usually wins this round, just like it did here. We'll go ahead and swipe in Garmin and Garmin. You see this loads in this really, really fast. There we go. Let's go ahead actually and open up this first picture. I can't zoom in on iPhone, but you can on Android. Yeah, that's great. Get out of my way. Alright. Hopefully you don't hear my bird downstairs making a bunch of noise. Alright, let's go ahead and go into OfferUp. On older devices, this is a little bit of a harder app. On these two newer devices, it really isn't. One more type in here. Watch Ultra, 1, 2, 3. A couple people in my area have these things for like $500 right now, which is pretty crazy. It's apparently that one's only $400. That was not that close to me. Let's go ahead and hit one more. Yeah, a couple people have these things on here for, that's crazy, $500. But no one's buying them, apparently used. Probably part of that reason is you don't know if they're fake or not. And who wants to spend that much money on something that is fake? Absolutely nobody. Roblox, it will be next. 1, 2, 3. Both of these can play Roblox. I'm not going to show it off in this video. That'll be another video. Both of these can play Roblox with no issues. Max graphics should not have any issue at all. So if you want to play some Roblox on your phone, both of these should not have any issues, no matter what game you are playing. And then we'll go into Cars.com here, the app, 1, 2, 3. So both are about the same. I believe these are on the same search, but we'll find out. Sorry about any fingerprints you are seeing there. So again, you can see a little bit more on the bigger screen, of course. Not a whole lot, but everything's a little bit bigger too. And we'll hit this first one here. What are you doing? That was weird. I never had that come up before. Let's go ahead and we'll hit a different one. Hit that. Of course, these, being Android versus iOS. As long as I don't hit off of it, you can see here, if I don't go too far over, this you can keep scrolling through each of them, or through all of them very fast. iOS, you have to hit each individual one, basically. Okay, keep that on open. Let's go through each of these apps, and we'll go into a YouTube speaker test here. Again, you have to kind of go through each of them. Here you can just kind of swipe through all of them at once. Chrome and Safari, once again, no issue. App Store, no issue. OfferUp, no issue. We don't have a whole lot of apps to open right now, but still, no issue. Cars.com, no issue. All right, now let's get into the speaker test. All right, we'll start this off with the Google, then we'll go into the iPhone. Of course, both of these will be on max volume. I'll make sure my silent switch is turned off on the iPhone. So there we go, max volume, starting out here with the Google.
That I own and know I'm letting go. I'm breaking these walls down, If you wanted attention and fought at home.
Then the iPhone.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go. I'm breaking these walls down,
So I think the Google does sound a little bit better, but both of these sound really good. You guys let me know though. Yeah, let me know what you think on this comparison here. I think for the most part the Apple is a little bit faster, but both of these are pretty dang fast phones. I don't think I have any issues with either of them. Y'all let me know what you think. As always, I really do appreciate you. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.